Alright guys, welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we need to jump back into ICPZ. Now guys, we've got some positive news for the ICP community today. And I want to say you guys have been coming through so strong. I think we're like 6 subs away from 12k. And then we're going to be grinding up to 13, 14, 15. So again, if you haven't smashed the like button already, go do that. If you're not subscribed, go do that. But today, looks like we're starting to see altcoins have their moves when Bitcoin is stalling. And this usually is what happens in altcoin season, right? You guys already know that. So Bitcoin 109k, ETH is pushing 2.9k. Many of you guys who follow me on X know that I've got 3 days left for my prophecy to come right if ETH does hit 3k. And we're going to get into that at the end of the video, as we always do, guys. But bye-bye seed investors, 100% of the seed round has now been unlocked. So you don't really have to worry about the Definity Foundation, advisors, team members dumping on you. Yes, they may still hold tokens and they may still hold a lot of their tokens to dump, but you don't need to have all that FUD now about, you know, ICP has all these token unlocks from seed round investors. I mean, when you go to the Internet Computer dashboard, guys, you can see here how many node machines, how many subnets, node providers, but then also you can see the cycle burn rate, and currently burning around 23k a day. So really, we'd like to see that a little bit higher, but that's something that all of us can keep a close eye on. Now, how high is Bitcoin going to go? How high is it going to drag our baby ICP with it? Well, Camel posted this chart today. I don't really know how much I agree with it, to be honest, guys. I'm probably going to want to like get out of the market maybe like 120, 150k. I wouldn't really want to be, you know, holding on for 300k. But according to this pitchfork, that is the median level, which usually is the target for these pitchforks. Are we going to just blast off to 300k? Well, so far we're holding our breakout. Remember, this is a shorter time frame. So for hourly, we have broken out of this wedge. We did say if we can hold above 109.4k, that's going to be bullish, right? We need daily and weekly candle closes above it. That's what we spoke about in the last video. So far, it makes sense that we're finding resistance here. You go to ICP. Remember, we were looking at a big resistance zone where we are now. And these little bars on the side is the volume profile. And I'm cheap, so I don't pay for my trading view. But you can see here, we blew through this big level of resistance here. You've got another big level of resistance at around $10 and a tiny pocket here at $7.24. So it all makes sense, right? Volume profile is telling us we should expect some selling pressure here. But then, you know, from $7, $8, we should teleport to like $9. And even if you want to cross-reference that with the fibs, then you can go and take the fibs and you can see here, right, 0618 is basically where this next pocket is. Another chart that we did look at was this one here, right? So the larger falling wedge on like the daily. And we said we could find some resistance, come back down to retest this yellow trend line. Now, I mean, as days go on, it gets more unlikely, but it's never a 0% chance. It now is a 20% dip, and it was a 14% dip when we looked at it the other day. So if we do have like a push down here, then we'd like to see $5 hold. Is that hopium? Are we going to hold it? I don't know. Maybe it may be hopium right now because we are holding above $6. So right now we just are looking for that breakout for ICP, maybe retest of the breakout, and then we can start to go for like that $7 to $10. But right now, everything's looking really good. I mean, even if I go to ETH right now, ETH looks like it wants to leave its accumulation range. Probably going to be hitting 3k. That's going to be really good for our altcoins as well. So we're going to keep our eyes on the prize on the charts, guys. Again, if you made it this far, you know what to do. Like the video, leave me a comment on the comment section to let me know how you feel about the market today. Is the bull run back? Is it just getting started? You let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.